Right back at it again, David.
You already know.
All right, today seems conditions are a lot better today.
Told you.
It's,
You were doubting me.
seems good, but let's see how it is when we get out there. Don't know if this is showing up on the camera, but there's a lot of bait fish right here, all around right here. I'm tied up to the kelp right here, and all the bait fish is right on top. Small ones. Here we go. Come on. Ah, he got away.
What do you think it was?
He's coming for it. Come on. He's coming back for it. He keeps coming back for it. Alright, looks like David got on. Let's see what he got. Let me turn around. Looks like that's Garibaldi. Quick release.
Ah, didn't get skunked.
All right, first fish.
Dude, it was on fish bites.
Really?
Yeah.
I know this shrimp is not working, but
Oh, the shrimp did work. I had shrimp on top, and then fish bites on the.
yeah, we're marking some fish here, so let's drop it down.
Out in the open ocean. It's real choppy out here today. Waves are like 2 to 4. I don't know if I'm getting seasick or not, but we'll see. And there's Javi there. So now we try to go back all the way over there. And I'm trolling right now. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to catch a yellowtail or something. We'll see. Oh shit, look at this. charter boat coming.
Uh-oh, here comes a sea lion. Where'd you go? There you are. Oh, no, 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 no. Now when I'm gonna catch a fish. Hey, buddy. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, buddy? There you are. Oh, now we're marking a fish. Thank you for scaring the fish. I don't waste my time with little fish. That's
okay, little fish. All right, guys, I didn't get a chance to reel it up, but I caught a croaker. So that's 2 for me, 0 for Javi. Man,
I waste my time with little fish.
Okay, little fish. You know what? I am gonna swear by fish bites. Fish bites been working. So I'm telling you, fish bites is where it's at. They're pricey, but who cares?
Back at Newport. We just finished the little, what, 5-hour, 6-hour trip? Yeah. Little fishing trip. David caught a couple. What'd you catch?
A croaker and a
Garibaldi.
A Garibaldi.
Yeah, we had to throw that one back. It was a quick release.
Yeah. Too fast. It was too hot to handle.
Me, on the other hand, this was the second time I got skunked.
Can I say I'm a better fisherman than you know? I guess baby Jesus loves me.
But it's not going to be over today. What else are we going to do today?
We're going to go catch some grouper.
Grunion.
Grunions, I mean.
Yeah, there's the Grunion run. So we're going to, I don't know, pick a beach and hopefully see if we can get some, right? Mm-hmm. What, 30 a person?
Yeah. So we'll probably do, we'll try Newport, and if not, we'll just go down PCH and hit up Huntington Beach.
All right, so we're gonna try to find them, and so hopefully we can get them, and we'll make a video out of that. All right, guys, see you later. First Grunion run, where?
Oh man!
I think our first Grunion run is a bus.
Yeah.
Here we are. Here we are.
Let's see. Ah, man. Someone lied to us. Oh, man.
Oh, well, damn it. I think we only got like 10 minutes left and I'm 0 for 2. This is my last chance to not get skunked. There we go. Come on.